Using an American Express gift card on Xbox is a straightforward process that can be completed in a few simple steps. To begin, make sure you have your American Express gift card and your Xbox console ready. First, go to the Xbox store and sign in to your Xbox account. Next, select the item you want to purchase, whether it is a game, subscription, or in-game content. Once you have selected your item, proceed to the checkout page. On the checkout page, you will be prompted to select a payment method. Choose the option to use a credit or debit card. Enter the card number, expiration date, and security code from your American Express gift card. Make sure to enter the information correctly to avoid any issues with the transaction. Also, ensure that the gift card has sufficient funds to cover the cost of the item you are purchasing. If you are using a gift card with a balance lower than the item price, you will need to use a combination of the gift card and another payment method to cover the full cost. Once you have entered the gift card information, select the option to use the gift card as a payment method. Review the transaction details to ensure everything is correct. Then confirm the purchase. The item will be added to your Xbox account, and the gift card balance will be updated accordingly. It is essential to keep track of your gift card balance to avoid any declined transactions. To check the balance of your American Express gift card, you can visit the American Express website or call the customer service number on the back of the card. By following these steps, you can easily use your American Express gift card to make purchases on Xbox. Always keep your gift card information secure to avoid any unauthorized transactions.